Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, RJ Coding Tips. In previous videos, we have discussed about bubble sort and insertion sort methods in Python programming. As a continuation of sorting arrays, we are going to discuss about selection sort. So, let's get started. As we have known that selection sort selects the smallest element in the array and places it at the beginning. It then finds the second smallest element and places it in the second position, and so on until the entire array is sorted. Now we are going to take an example using Python program. Before that, we are going to use the following example. First of all, we are going to define a function cell sort which will take the argument as array. Then inside this function, we declare a variable n, so that we can assign the length of the array. We declare a for loop with the range as n. Inside this function, we give minimum id as I. Then we declare a for loop with j in range I plus 1 up to n. Inside this loop, we declare an if statement such that if array j is less than array min id, then we give min id as j. Then we go out and we write array I, array min id equals array min id and array I. Now, we are going to give values from the selected example, that is, array equals 23, 56, 9, 103 and 77. Then we call the cell sort function and printed out the sorted array. Let's come to the explanation. In this program, we define a cell sort function that takes an array as an argument and sorts it in ascending order using the selection sort algorithm. The algorithm works by repeatedly finding the minimum element from the unsorted part of the array and putting it at the beginning of the sorted part of the array. The outer loop runs n times, where n is the length of the array. For each iteration of the outer loop, we assume that the ith element is the minimum element, and then we search for the actual minimum element in the unsorted part of the array. The inner loop starts from I plus 1 and compares each element with the assumed minimum element. If a smaller element is found, we update the min id variable to the index of the smaller element. After we have found the minimum element, we swap it with the ith element to put it at the beginning of the sorted part of the array. Finally, we test the cell sort function by passing an unsorted array and printing the sorted array. If you have any doubt, feel free to post a comment so that I can help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.